In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image to a shape using Canva. Whether you're working on a project for school, a business presentation, or just a fun social media post, this quick and easy tutorial will help you add a creative touch to your images. So let's dive right in. First, let's head over to canva.com. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. You can find the login button located in the upper right corner of the home page. Canva offers a variety of ways to log in, whether you prefer using Google, Facebook, or your email. Choose the one that works best for you, and after logging in, you'll be ready to start. Now that you're signed in, you have a couple of options. You can either upload one or more of your favorite photos, or start from scratch using a blank template. For this demonstration, let's go ahead and upload an image that we want to crop into a shape. With your photo ready, direct your attention to the left side panel and click on Elements. This is where magic happens, as Canva gives us a treasure trove of shapes and designs to choose from. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type in Frames. This is a crucial step because it's the key to shaping your image. Once you're there, you'll see a range of different shapes that can be used as frames, like circles, squares, or even more complex shapes. Choose the shape that resonates with your vision, let's say a circle for this example. After selecting your shape, it's time to integrate your photo. Drag and drop your uploaded image directly into your chosen frame. Instantly, you'll see your image conform to the shape of the frame, and just like that, you've cropped your image into a shape effortlessly. But we're not quite finished yet. Double click on the image within the frame and you'll be able to drag it around to adjust its position. If needed, you can also scale it to ensure it fits perfectly within your frame. Play around with it until it looks just right. Once the cropping is done, feel free to further customize your design. Canva is renowned for its wide array of effects, filters, and additional elements. At this stage, you can add text, graphics, or even tweak the colors to make your design pop even more. Finally, when you're completely satisfied with how your design looks, it's time to share it with the world. Canva provides options to either share your creation directly or download it to your computer for later use. And there you have it, a seamlessly cropped image in the shape of your choice using Canva. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Canva tips and tricks.